watching the DeGroot X YouTube channel, so buckle up, let's go for a ride. What is up, my fellow Nissan people? I have unloaded my race truck. I wish I videoed it. How stupid, I was kind of in a rush to get it off. It was a little bit of a shit show to get that thing off. I think I cracked a headlight. It's just, it's rough trying to get that truck moving on, it just idles at 1800 RPMs and the brakes are power brakes, so it's a little sketchy, especially since I have like a bucket seat in there, like a 5-gallon bucket seat, so you can't really push against anything. So yeah, we're getting started. So what we're doing right now is figuring out exhaust, because I need to have at least this O2 sensor up in here. I got bungs for them, so we can weld in the bungs for both of them, as you can see. And we're gonna drop that exhaust down, get the bungs in. We don't have a couple pieces we need, so we can't put the full exhaust on, but we're gonna get at least that flange going. Get the downpipes down and get the O2s in. Right now we're just cutting out flanges. Ram board, it's a secret hack.
Is I take my ram board template, I draw it on a nice clean piece of white paper with black pen, I put it in here like this.
Oh man.
I go to my Canon quick menu, I got my photo scan all set up for black and white scan and how the resolution quality, what I want it to be at. I scan it in. I go to import. I import our brand new template here. Click the background color. Click next. It didn't work. See how it's missing the dots, so I need to make those a little more pronounced. But that's essentially all.
That's what you do.
Essentially all you do. That's
pretty rad. And then you can clean it up as needed.
Yeah. You have to redraw it, but at least all.
Yeah. So here we have our new little piece, chopped up, clean it up a little bit. There she is.
This side's not bad, this side's gonna be great. This side could be pretty much straight ahead. Okay, it's this side that I think is gonna screw us as far as having to put a little miter in on the end of it. That's okay.
The tube cut. Got the flange main. Ready to go in there.
That's what we saw first. So I forgot to even look at what the settings on the machine are. That's always nice. Pretty good.
Yeah, nailed it.
Alright, let's put some hardware on this thing.
So right now, we've got O2 bungs. We're figuring out where to put the O2 bung so that it sits right in the stream, and that we can actually get it in and out. As you can see, it's basically gonna sit right like that. So have exhaust, so show that. It's not much, but it's there. And I have my O2 bungs in, so that is That is key. Now we're gonna move on to some A-pillar supports, I guess you can call them. And yeah, that's next. This is custom. I did this last night. I was using the new ARC 120 tube connector, the duct ARC, when I connected this together. So that's new custom. So first A-pillar's done. Let me show you that real quick. All tied in. On the other side, the sheet metal here, right here. It's like two squeezed together pieces. You can see that. It's two squeezed together pieces. It's kind of a pain in the ass with a lot of shit in there, so this didn't come out as good as this, obviously, because it's just thinner. Well, we are all done here. Truck's loaded, as you saw. It went fairly uneventful, luckily. So it's sketchy on and off, but figuring it out. So, time to take it back home, clean some stuff up, and get a plan for the next steps. Thanks for watching. Might be more, I don't know. What's up, guys? So, funny story. Just got home from Fab Lab, and we were gonna do the exhaust today, but because some parts didn't come in, I ended up putting I got the flanges done, obviously, and I got the downpipe from the flange, and then O2 sensors put in, which was a big thing. That was like one of the main reasons I wanted to get the exhaust done. But we didn't have some bends that we needed to chop up for the shop, so I had ordered some from Amazon, some basically some mandrel pre-bent zinc coated exhaust, and we're gonna chop that up and use those bends for what we needed, but it didn't come in time. So I wanted to get the truck down there because it was really hard to get time over in his shop. So I said, you know what, we'll do a couple other things. We did a couple little A-pillar mounts and a little tab for something, and lo and behold, I get the truck back, and guess what's here? Exhaust. So I bought two of these. Let me switch the camera. So I got two of these because we're going to be able to use, this is like zinc coated with the mandrel bend as opposed to like a press bend. I could have gone to an exhaust shop and got them bent, but they wouldn't have had, they would have been like press bent, where these would be like all kinked, whereas the mandrel bend keeps a full. I wanted to do it right, so, and these weren't expensive. I think these were 80 bucks a piece, not even 80 bucks a piece, somewhere around there, maybe half that. So now I got two of these, and we'll be able to use the 45 sections for what we need to do, and maybe more. So I got those, so I called Mikey over at the Fab Lab, and he said, you know what, don't unload the truck, just bring it down tomorrow, we'll knock it out. So I'm pretty stoked. He's awesome over there, dude. He's got He's got a great little shop, and he's so busy. He does a lot of work because he does great work. So I'm gonna bring it right back over there tomorrow, Sunday, and we'll finish up this exhaust to get those Black Widow exhausts, those mufflers on there, and yeah, get back to progress. So stoked that you guys are following along, and we'll videotape some more. Videotape, like an old dad now. I say weird stuff like that. We'll video some more tomorrow, and we'll show you the progress. So here we are, day 2, back at it. Actually have the exhaust. Hold the headlights off because I bashed one, so I didn't want to do that again. She was a little rough starting this morning, but yeah, having at it. So we got the neighbor haters there. Probably gonna be way too loud, but sometimes you gotta show off. The expander. Instead of buttoning them together, the hydraulic press opens it up so you can slide the tubes together. A little bit stronger connection. Exhaust is coming pretty sweet. Going up there for a big turn down. Mufflers right underneath those heat shields. So that big turn down right there. We're gonna do a little something on the tip, but other than that, it's coming along pretty nicely. Here we go. Finished exhaust. Oh, it's really bad backlighting. You can see straight off the headers. Got our 2 bungs in there. And we're about to do the cool guy cut in the back. Sorry for the light. See if we can get almost there. They are done. A little choppy chop on the tips. Like that. For whatever reason. For cool purposes. There it is. Sweet. So this is what we're doing right now because the truck won't start. We're gonna side by side. Getting ready to pull me out of the shop. We're gonna have to pull this thing onto the trailer. Really frustrated because I'm blowing a fuse and I can't figure it out. So here comes the shit show. Well, guys, it is home time. We got the truck on the trailer, obviously. Towed it on with another truck right next to mine, and yeah, I'm super stoked with the exhaust, but pretty bummed that the truck won't start right now. It's blowing a fuse for ECM backup relay or ECM backup power or something like that. I don't know, something's totally off and I'm not sure why. So I got to dig into that. It's kind of depressing after such a fun day of helping Mikey get the exhaust welded up and stuff. Well, he did most of the work, I just held tools and stuff. But it's back. It's exhaust-like. I know I've showed you a million times, but there it is. You can see it now. So, yeah. I gotta unload it, put it in the garage. I know you guys are all wondering, what does it sound like? It's freaking loud. It just barely started up and then it started having issues and I didn't get that on video. So sorry about that, but it's like the same loudness, it's just further back now. So it's probably so loud because it idles at like 1800 RPMs right now too. So like the second you start it, it's like super loud. So anyways, yeah guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Hit the like button. All right, buddy, see ya.